Broke the lightning rod off.
Oh, and driver came back this way.
Needed more tension.
I'll never use that tractor again. It was leaning this way no matter what.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Looks like leaning the barn forward.
Yeah, it pushed the forward a little bit. It was following me. I see it going. It's like, oh my God.
Oh yeah, it knocked all the supports right out of there.
What? It did. Well, I mean, so it's going with the house.
You better get all that shit out of there. Cause it just knocked it right over.
Yeah, it did knock it down a little bit more than what it is.
Oh, it's down by a lot.
Mm-hmm. Well, you probably got to do